In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log out of Facebook on all devices. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. After that, go to menu. Then tap Add Gear to head over to Settings and Privacy, and then tap right there to move on to the Meta Account Center. After that, get into Password and the Security, and that's where you can easily find where you are logged in. Then select your Facebook profile, and what that will do, that will show you all the devices you are currently logged in. Unfortunately, I got just one device here, but let me use my Instagram account as an example, because in case of Facebook account, it works in the same way. If you got multiple devices here, you will see the list of all the devices, and then you will be able to select devices to log out. Just tap right here, and then if you would like to log out of all the devices at once, tap at Select All, and then tap at that button. If you would like to log out just from several devices, you can check mark those devices you would like to log out, and then in the same way tap at that button. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.